Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can protect your Wi-Fi hotspot by limiting the Wi-Fi connections to your Wi-Fi hotspot phone. So, if you turn on the hotspot feature on your phone, in here you can see because there are someone that you want to use your hotspot or do some tethering, internet tethering, you can set a limit on how much devices can access to your internet hotspot. So if you want to do that, here you can go long press on the hotspot in here, or you can also go to the settings and here find the network and the internet. Tap on the hotspot and tethering. Here, tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot, and under the Wi-Fi hotspot, you'll see there's a maximum number of connections. So you can limit, for example, 10 devices to access hotspot and most currently, and the hotspot will be turned on again when the number is changed. So you can just set the limit in here. Tap on that. Here you can choose the number that you want. For example, I'm going to just cut it in half into 5, and after that, when the connections reach 5, so the other ones or other people cannot access my hotspot again. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.